Board came up and hit me. If I wouldn't have been wearing that, I would have lost teeth. Man, I am totally looking forward to another shower and wash down on Velocer. Yay, everybody?
Living on a tiny 27-foot sailboat with 4 people can get crowded and boring. We wanted some excitement, so Dad jumped up.
I'm going to dive Thunderball. Who wants to go with me?
I hopped in the dinghy, and the 2 of us headed for the famous Thunderball Grotto. We wanted excitement, but not this kind. The strong winds made for choppy water, which was hard to swim in, though the surface was raging. Underwater, everything was pristine and calm.
Take care of me and my fragile heart. It's yours to keep, but it can break apart. I'll take care of you.
Speaking of unwanted excitement, a barracuda decided to creep in. Definitely enough excitement for one day. Time moves pretty slow on a boat, but one day, one of our neighbors offered a change in rhythm.
Well, that was crazy. Woo! I can see why you wear the hockey helmet, man.
Yeah.
Dude, I took it in the face.
Really?
Yeah, when I went over the one time, the board came up and hit me. If I wouldn't have been wearing that, I would have lost teeth.
Ooh.
I now see why you wear that thing. Absolutely.
Pretty soon, we found ourselves caught amidst quite the flurry.
It's raining.
Got the rain catchment system figured out. Attach on these points here, and then down below we have the nozzle. So when it rains, it goes down into there. We replenish our water. Come on, baby! Woo! Oh, it's one happy young man right here. That hose runs into a filler tube. I'd say it's about 7/8 full, which is very nice. I'm not trying to dry the deck off, I'm trying to get the towel sopping wet to get all of that good fresh water soaked up into it so I can wring this out. This is also what I'm talking about. Being able to clean these out. Yeah, baby! That's it, that's the stuff.
To be honest, life was pretty good, but we knew that our next passage was through the devil's backbone, and if you think that sounds scary, you'd be right. The British colonists coming to Spanish Wells shipwrecked on a treacherous reef known as the Devil's Backbone. The shallow, jagged reef is close to shore, leaving very narrow passage. To the left is land, and to the right is reef. In between, water's raging like a washing machine. I get seasick just editing this footage.
enough to make your butt pucker?
Yeah.
Clench your jaw. It looks like it's smoothing out up here a bit. There was a washing machine back there. Buddy. Huh. Big breaking waves.
Holy moly.
Yeah.
They're breaking because it's so shallow out there.
Take 2, more voiceover. That should be the end thing.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Next week, we leap forward in time and greet new life onto the farm. And deal with the unexpected.
We're in the thick of this coronavirus pandemic. And